This is POCO F5, and today I would like to show how you can share the Wi-Fi network on this device. First step is to launch settings. From here, go for the Wi-Fi category. Then make sure to connect your phone to whatever Wi-Fi network you would like to share. And then tap at once connected, tap at the network that is in the blue. And the system will provide you with this convenient QR code that you can further scan with any other device you wanted to share this network with. And the aforementioned device, should it be phone or tablet, doesn't really matter at this point, will be automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be it for today, or for this video at the very least. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.